Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about how you could use math to move your object from your object origin up here by, we know this thing's two inches wide, so we're going to go +2 plus 1/16, and it moved it over 1/16. You can do it three ways as far as I know right now. We're going to use the step and repeat docker, which is probably the easiest because you can actually set spacing between objects. So instead of messing around with this, and I'm going to set it, make 5 copies, I'm going to have it vertically go 0, but I'm going to have it space. Let's go back to that 3/16 or 1/16. So it's 1/16, and then hit apply. It put those 5 items or 50 items, whatever I put, 16th inches apart. So that's probably the easiest. The next one would be your transformation docker. We know it's 2 inches wide, so we can have it move 2 plus 1/16 and have 5 items, and you've done the exact same thing. So just depending on what you ever get used to, and then you can always grab these. You need to change this to 0 and this to, these are 2.5, so we need to do 2.5 plus 1/16, and it actually went up. There's a way probably to set it to go down. So let's go back to the same thing with the, that is under step and repeat. You can do both of them, and so this might be the easiest way to do it on all of them. We're going to set apply, grab all these, turn this off. You see with step and repeat, you can go right or up or down. So we'll just put 0. We don't have to put in the amount that this object is. We're just going to have to put in the spaces, and we're going to go down, and we're going to go spaces between the objects or 1/16 and hit apply. Well, that didn't work. I need to probably turn this to no offset and then hit apply. And there we go. So that's probably the easiest to use step and repeat, because you don't have to put in the amount, how big it is, like I did in the first video, or even in the position docker. So the position docker is found under Windows Dockers, Transform or Transformation, depending on which one yours is, what version, and always edit, and step and repeat is always right there. They're pretty cool tools. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.